Working drawing sheets in AutoCAD, and the scale factor chart. Throughout this tutorial, I will be using external references to reinforce the team approach. I will be creating working drawings using the following process. I will take my border drawing, that is one drawing file. I will then take my floor plan or elevation or section, whatever the case may be, which is my second file. Then be combining the images of these two files to create my architectural sheet, in this example a2.dwg. I will be doing that by externally referencing the floor plan to model space of the A2 drawing file. I will be taking the border and I will be externally referencing that to layout 1 of the A2 drawing file. Layout 1 and paper space are synonymous. In my AutoCAD directory, I will have my A2 drawing file listed. The preview will show the images of the border and the floor plan combined. I will also have my border and my plan drawing. As you can see, I have placed an X in front of the files which I will be externally referencing. This allows me to note that they will appear in multiple files as images. With that said, when we are creating a working drawing, that means we are creating legal documents, and we need to provide all the information necessary to start the project. Of course, all of the text and dimensions must be legible, which brings us to the scale factor chart. As a review, assuming that we wanted to plot our text height to measure 1/8 inch high on the printed sheet, I will assume that my floor plan must be printed at 3/8 inch equals a foot. The scale factor for 3/8 of an inch is 32. I take 1/8 of an inch, multiply it by 32, and my result is 4 inches. That means that the text for my titles and room names and so on would have to be drawn at 4 inches so that when the drawing prints, the text would appear to be 1/8 inch in height. Throughout the tutorial, I will be referring back to this scale factor chart not only for text but also for dimensions.